Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to install UnifiedChat app into Hangout. There are two ways in which we can install UnifiedChat app into Hangout. The first method is launching or initiating a Hangout session from UnifiedChat website. So for that, go to this unifiedchat.com website. There you will see two links. First to initiate a normal Hangout session and the second to initiate a Hangout on air session. Click on any of these two options. As you can see in the left hand side menu where the shortcuts for all the apps are available, a new shortcut has appeared to access UnifiedChat app. When you open it for the first time, then in the main window area, it will ask you to continue opening the app, and when you press continue, it will launch a pop-up specifying all the permissions that the app needs in order to proceed. So you allow all those permissions, then it will authenticate successfully. And as you can see right now in the right hand side, this unified chat will load successfully. So this is the first method in which we can install this app inside Hangout. Okay, so to demonstrate the second method, let's first remove this app, close this session. The second one is appending this string at the end of Hangout URL. So to get the Hangout URL, let's first create a live event. Now copy this Hangout URL and close this window. Now append this string at the end of this Hangout URL. You can obtain this string from the unifiedchat.com website. If you click on schedule live event or scroll to bottom, then in the description of setting up a live event, this string is mentioned and provided. Now open the Hangout using that edited URL. As you can see, it is loading on the left hand side menu. The shortcut to open the Unified Chat app has appeared, and if you are opening this for the first time, then it will ask for permissions in the main area. So it's successfully loaded using the second method. Now this process of installing the app and extension into the Hangout is needed only for the first time. The first time when you are when you want to add this app into your Hangout so that you can access it, like you can access any of these apps. So you have to follow any of these two methods to install this app. Now if you are doing it for the second time or say third time when it is already installed, then what happens is that if you want to invite any other participant into this live into this Hangout session, then generally by default the default chat app opens, this one. So your participant of this video call won't be aware of that you are using this unified chat app to perform the chatting and conversations. So to handle that, what you do is generally you share this URL with the users whoever you want to invite into this session. So instead of sharing this URL, you append this string, and now you share this URL to all the users whom you want to invite into this video call or Hangout on air call. So if they open a Hangout session using this link, then it will automatically by default load this unified chat app into their Hangout session, so they will know that you are using this to have chat messages and conversation instead of the default chat app. Apart from that, there are two other things that you need to check if you are bumped into any issues. The first one is make sure that there is a Google Plus profile active and linked with this Google Hangout account. If you have not activated a Google Plus profile associated with this Google account, then you won't be able to access any apps. And the second one is make sure that you are not using any pop-up blocker in your browser. If you use any pop-up blocker, then what happens is that the authentication process does not complete successfully because it needs a pop-up to ask for permissions. So in that step it won't continue forward. Okay, so in this video tutorial we have learned how to install a unified chat app into Hangout session. In the next video tutorial we will learn how to use this app in order to save chat messages after the session ends, and have a look at other features also which is not available in the default chat app. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. If you have any comments, doubts and queries, ask it in the below comment area, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.